sustainable agriculture. Look around you. Feel and witness the green, fresh, and beauty of nature. One of the effects of sustainable agriculture. In the economy, it has a contribution. Increase farm income and production. In the environmental problems, it is the prevention. Maintain soil quality, reduce soil erosion, and pollution. See? That's how important this type of agriculture is. It doesn't just focus on producing and earning, but helping our ecosystem. After all, its goal is to let people know the value of preserving, protecting, and empowering our nature around the world. Even in simple action, we are sustaining God's creation.